Hello students, welcome to the video class of computers. Today we are going to study chapter number 4, know more about internet. Basically this is part 2 of this chapter. We have studied half of the chapter in the previous video class and the rest remaining portion we are going to study today. So let's have a look at what we are going to study today, all the topics which we are going to study in this video class, and then have a brief discussion about them. So the topics which we are going to study today are gadgets, icons, control panel, sound recorder, and playing games. Let's have a brief discussion about these 5 topics. Moving on towards the first topic, that is gadgets. The mini program that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequently used tools are called gadgets. That means gadgets basically they are mini programs, short programs which provides us information which we need, and definitely it is an easy access to frequently used tools. Let's see some of the examples of gadgets, which are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, free headlines, picture puzzles, and so many other examples are also there. But here you can see small gadgets are there on the desktop screen, like calendar, clock, headlines. So these gadgets helps us to stay connected and to live in the present. Now the question arises, what are the steps to add a gadget on desktop screen? How you can add a particular gadget on the screen of your computer. The first step, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the gadgets option. The gadget window opens. Second, double click at the gadget you want to place on your desktop. So right click on any empty area, you will get the option gadget, then click over that particular option and double click over the gadget which you want to place on your desktop. The gadget gets placed at the right side of the desktop. So these are the steps by which we can add a particular gadget on the desktop screen. The next topic is icons. The small pictures representing file, folder, or a program are called icons. You can see so many small pictures over your desktop screen. Those small pictures which represent a particular file, folder, or a program, that is called icon. Any program can be opened directly by double clicking on its icon. So what is the advantage of icon? That any program you can open directly if uh, an icon is made of that particular program. You need not go to the particular space where it is being stored, but simply you click over the icon and that program gets opened. So icons are time saving too. Icons on the desktop are called shortcuts. So the icons which are placed over the desktop screen, they are known as shortcuts. Let us see some of the examples of icons. Chrome icon. How does the Chrome icon looks like? It looks like this. Everyone must be having the icon of Chrome on your desktop screen. Second icon is of downloads. How the downloads icon looks like. You can see here, this icon is present in our mobile phones also and in our laptops and computers also. Third icon is of setting. This icon looks like this. So all the three icons we all are very familiar. This is just to give the examples so that you may get revised. Now the next topic is control panel. So first of all, we'll see what is control panel. The control panel contains some special tools which we use to change window looks and modes. Basically, the function of control panel is to change the look of the window. That particular window which we are using, you can change the look and mode of that window. Example, there is an option to change the settings of the mouse by replacing standard mouse pointers with animated icons that move on the screen and so on. That means you can even change the mouse pointer. Nowadays, so many different animated icons are there of mouse. So you can use those pointers instead of the normal pointer which we are using. So this all changes can be done with the help of control panel. Sound recorder. Now from the name itself, sound and recorder means recording our own voice or the voice of any other person. The function of sound recorder is to help us to record our voice. A microphone must be attached to the computer for doing this. This is mandatory whenever you need to record your voice or you need to record the voice of any other person. A microphone must be attached to the computer so that you can record that voice. If microphone is not there, you will not be able to record the voice of any person. Now the question arises, what are the steps to record the voice? So the following steps should be taken to record a voice. They are as: click the start button, click the all programs, click the accessories, click the sound recorder. The sound recorder program opens. Click the start recording button from sound recorder program. Start speaking into the microphone, whatever you wanted to record. After you finish, click the stop recording button to stop recording. And then you need to save that particular recording in whichever location you wanted to save. Now, our last topic is playing games. This topic everyone must be eagerly waiting for. That playing games is the favorite topic for all of us. In order to play a game, we need to open it. But how we can open a particular game, that we need to know. And the steps which should be taken to open a game, they are as follows. The first step, click the start button. Then click all programs. Then click games. Choose and click the game you wanted to play. Very simple. Now let us take some of the examples of games. Chess Titans. This is a very, very popular game which the people used to play over the computer, and it looks like this. Another example is of Hertz. This is also a very popular game, playing cards. Next one is Minesweeper, sort of a puzzle you can say. Let us move towards the home assignment. Give examples of the following. Minimum two examples you're supposed to give of these questions. First one, gadgets. Second, icon. Third, playing games. All these things we have studied right now, so it would be very, very easy for you to find out the answer to these questions. I hope you must have understood all the topics which are being taught in this video. With this, we have finished chapter number 4 of computers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.